Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Samayal. Today I am going to prepare hotel style onion potato kurma. In a pressure cooker, take 1 large cup of sliced onions, 5 to 6 slated green chillies. We are not going to add any chilli powder. The complete flavor comes from this chilli. 1 small cup of potato and 1 small cup of water. If you add too much of water, you may lose the consistency, so be careful. Now close the pressure cooker and cook it for 15 minutes. It's almost cooked well. Salt to taste. Pinch of turmeric powder. Smash it well with a spatula. Make sure that onions and potatoes are cooked well, then only you can smash it very well together. I have mixed 1 tablespoon of besan flour with little water and mixed it without any lumps, and add the mixture into our kurma. And just cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes until you get the correct consistency. This kurma tastes awesome with poori. Now let's add the tempering to it. In a pan, take 3 tablespoons of oil, mustard seeds, urad dal, few curry leaves, and fry them until it is golden brown. Now add this tempering into the kurma. Our hotel style potato onion kurma is ready. Try this recipe at your home. It is very simple recipe which can be done just within 15 minutes. Wow, it looks wonderful. I'm going to garnish it with some kasturi methi. Try this kurma with poori. It tastes awesome. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you friends.